I'm Barbara May, and my company is Stumbling Blocks Team Building Seminars. I help individuals and teams see and get past their stumbling blocks. In my daily life, I'm using technology all the time. The big thing would be my cell phone and my computer. When I'm contacting clients, I'm using email. I have my own website, so I design my own website on my computer. So a lot of applications on the computer that make my life easier. Most recently, I've upgraded to the Microsoft Business Premium so that I can have all the contact management right in one spot. So what it does is if I send out an email, it tracks it, and then I can have all the contact information for the client. I can add notes in, and then when I go back to look up at that client, all the emails that we went through will be attached right in one spot. And I can access it on my phone. So I can be at home, I can be away from the office, I can be at a seminar teaching. If someone calls me, and I can look up who they are. I'm using Dreamweaver, so I really like the flexibility with Dreamweaver. I can customize the website so it very much looks like my own. So it really helps with the branding. And then I use a lot of pictures on my website, so I just use Photoshop. Yeah, I really like Canva. So Canva is something I've started to use a lot recently. And what you can do is you can upload a picture into Canva, create whatever kind of frames you want. So in my case, what I did is I took a picture of me speaking and then a comment from the client. So for example, Barbara is excellent at helping people get past their stumbling blocks, and then I can pair it with a picture. It downloads it and it's friendly to go right onto my website. Well, one of my favorite pieces of technology, I was thinking about this when I was driving over, is my cruise control. So when I'm on the road and I'm heading out of town, I can just put my van in cruise and think about my presentation as I'm driving.